We're here at the Homewood Suites by Hilton, here in Pittsburgh. Oh boy, we got something pretty exciting here. 330, yeah. Going down. Going down, yeah. Here you go, ahead. Go ahead.
Are you sure? No, you should go. I'll make sure.
Go. I'm going back upstairs.
Oh, okay.
I'm going downstairs.
No, you're going down.
Yeah.
Okay.
Door, there we go. Sorry about the crappy video. This is like literally like checkout time. This is kind of like the best time for me to film, and this is the worst time for me to film. .330A, so nothing too exciting. That's the elevator. I guess that is gonna be it for me.